Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and we just finished installing this Holman partition in the back of our Ford Transit Connect. It's part number 40670, which also fits the Ram ProMaster City as well as the Nissan NV200 and the Chevy City Express. Now this is a steel partition. It's 18 gauge steel. It's powder coated gray, the same color as the Holman shelving and other accessories for cargo vans. This is the perforated top. It's also available in a solid top. Installation, this is technically a no drill install, meaning that you're going to mount existing holes and locations on the vehicle to install it. There is an optional part of the installation to drill into the B pillar, which we opted to do, which just makes it a more secure partition. Because this fits multiple vans, there are some panels included that are vehicle specific that you may not use for your particular install, but it does include everything that you need, including the hardware, to install it in the van. Now, if you're wondering how far back this partition goes into the cargo area, on the Transit Connect, there is this black bracket on the door, and when the door is all the way shut, there's two white bolts that are sticking out. If you look at the forward bolt, that's about as far back as this partition sits. Now, in the cab area, I'm 6'2". I fit very comfortably in that seat. It's almost like there's no restriction with the back of this partition, so you have plenty of room in the cab area. Now on the bottom, this mounts to the D-ring locations that are on the van. You're going to use those bolts from the D-ring to install it on the bottom, and on the top, you're going into the side of this door frame into two existing holes. It's just a bolt and a nut that attaches to that location on the van. Now, the primary purpose of a partition or a bulkhead is a safety purpose, meaning if you've got cargo, tools, equipment in the cargo area of the van, you have to slam on the brakes or you're in an accident or something like that, it's all going to come rushing forward, and it's going to protect the driver and the passenger from getting injured from equipment back here. Now, the secondary purpose is it's a security element, meaning if someone's able to get access to the cab area of the van, you know, they're going to have a heck of a time trying to get through the partition to get your tools and equipment and inventory and everything that you're going to have in the back of the van. So this is going to help protect and add security to the van. Now, if you're looking for this partition or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it is work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.